హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు సంధ్యాస్ థాట్స్. ఇవాళ వీడియోలో ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్స్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ వన్, సతీష్ డాష్ మెనీ ప్రైజెస్ ఇన్ ద స్కూల్ స్పోర్ట్స్. బోర్ అప్, బోర్ అవే. బోర్ అప్ విచ్ మీన్స్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్, బోర్ అవే means to take. Satish bore away many prizes in the school. Next one friends, a thief dashed our house last night. Broke in, broke into. Broke in which means to interrupt or disturb. Broke into means steal. A thief broke into our house last night. Third one, you will have to dash my orders. Carry out, carry on. Carry out which means execute. Carry on means fulfill or continue. So answer is carry out. Fourth one friends, how did you dash this purse? Come to or come by? Which one is correct? Come to means to reach. Come by means to get something. So how did you come by this? So the last one, you should dash your bad habits. You should dash your bad habits. Give up, give off. Give up means to cease doing or to stop. Give off means to produce or to send out as a branch. So tell me the last answer friends. Thanks for watching friends.